Hey, everybody, it's Jeff Peak, board certified immigration attorney. I saw an article today in the Austin American Statesman. I wanted to comment on it. It talked about how the passage of a new law here in Texas starting in December 2026 will require sheriff's departments, and sheriffs typically run all the county jails, so this is in every county in Texas, to participate in some level of immigration enforcement. And I thought it was an interesting article for the following reason. It talked about the three different models that all sheriffs of every county is going to have to make a decision to go into. And there's kind of a lower level, a medium level, and the highest level of involvement and participation in immigration enforcement. The lowest level is called the warrant service model. And basically, they're just training deputies who work in the county jails to issue civil immigration warrants or detainers. That honestly happens in a lot of places right now, where they honor immigration detainers. I don't know any counties in Texas where that doesn't happen. So that's kind of the status quo. The next level, and honestly, most of the counties here in Central Texas are leaning towards doing that if they're not already. We're talking about Williamson and Travis, and I believe Bastrop as well. The next level is the jail enforcement model. This is where deputies can question inmates about their legal status. Right now, they just say, where were you born? Are you a citizen or not? But this would go even further, allow them to ask more questions, collect evidence for the immigration officers that they can then transfer over into federal custody. And the most involved model would be the task force model. And it's the most expansive, authorizes deputies to question people about immigration status during patrols, not just in the jails. And this is really what the Trump administration wants. And interestingly enough, they said that Caldwell County, just in where Lockhart is, southeast here, has already agreed and participated in the task force agreement. So they're already moving forward with this. What does that mean? Simply put, if you are an undocumented immigrant, or even just an immigrant who doesn't want to be harassed by a legal immigrant, doesn't want to be harassed by police or sheriffs, or maybe just somebody who speaks Spanish, maybe you're a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, you just have a thick accent. You just don't want to be harassed by sheriffs and have to go through extra questionings, the papers, please, line of work. I don't know if Caldwell County is going to be the right place to live for you. That's something everybody's going to have to decide. It's a sad day for me in America. We're kind of have this level of authority given to officers where they're now checking people's backgrounds. It's very unwelcoming and unfriendly, but that's what Texas wanted to vote for, and that's the way we're headed. So just prepare yourself and be educated. Continue to listen to this podcast. Give us a like, share with your friends. We're going to try to share this information as often and as much as we can to keep everybody informed. All right, stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.